Hey everyone, Chris with Integra Automotive here. If you've got a mid to late 90s Chevy truck, I'm pretty sure that you have this lovely irritating tick that you have no idea what it is, but it's in your dash somewhere. What it actually is, there's a mode actuator door that's causing an issue. It's failed and it's in there just sitting there ticking instead of actually moving. So even with the car on or off, you get this machine gun rattle, kind of like this. Worst part about it is you can shut your car off and it keeps going. That's because it's trying to reset itself and it can't, so it just keeps pulsing until it tries to go back to a neutral position, which it can't do anymore. Downside is you have one of two options. You can either disconnect it, which then you lose that mode actuator and it's not working anymore, or we have to pull your dash and your heater box to get to it, because Chevy decided to put it in between the heater box and the firewall. It's not the greatest design, but it's kind of how it is. So if you want to get rid of that irritating tick, give us a call, bring it down. We can do one to two options for you, and we'll work with you on getting that irritating machine gun rattle out of your dash.